Hello, brilliant scholars, and welcome to Learning with Avant-garde Books. I'm Cherie Hardy, your instructor. Today, we will be learning about the F sound. Now, before we get started, I would like for you to never forget that your learning potential is limitless. Just get in a very comfortable place, get relaxed, so that we can learn about the F sound. Wonderful boys and girls, the letter that you see on the screen is F. F is a consonant, therefore it makes one sound. What you see is the letter F capitalized and lowercase. Well, what sound does the F make? It sort of sounds like this: f, like in the word fish, or the word family, favorite, food, or football. We're going to learn more about this sound, so just get ready and get relaxed. Here is the alphabet in the English language. Other languages also use this alphabet. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Today, however, we're only going to talk about one letter. That is the letter F. Because F is a consonant, it only makes one sound. Would you like to know more? Well, let's keep going. What sound does the letter F make? It makes the sound f, like in family or fan. Let's say these words together: family and fan. Both of these words start with the letter F and make the F sound. Here are more words with the F sound. We have fog and farm. Repeat these words after me: fog and farm. Both words have the F sound at the beginning. The F sounds like this: f, fog, farm, family, and fan. You are amazing. Let's keep learning. Now, boys and girls, we have the words fork and knife. Fork and knife both have the F sound. The letter F can be at the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, or at the end of a word. Repeat these words after me: fork, knife. Did you hear the F sound in those words? Yes, you did. You are wonderful. Let's continue learning. Now we have forest and fox. Forest and fox both start with the F sound. Say them with me: forest, fox. You did a great job. Let's keep going. Have you heard or seen these words? We have cafe and coffee. Cafe and coffee both have the F sound. Remember, the F sound can be at the beginning of a word, the middle of a word, or at the end of a word. Buffalo and sofa have the F sound in the middle. Let's say these words together: buffalo, sofa. Again, what sound does the F make? It makes the f sound. Buffalo, sofa, cafe, coffee, forest, fox, All of those words have the F sound. You are wonderful. Look at these two words. We have scarf and wife. Scarf and wife both have the F sound. These two words have the F sound at the end. We have leaf and bookshelf. Leaf, bookshelf. Repeat the words after me. Leaf, bookshelf. Did you hear the F sound? Yes, you did. Now let's get some practice. Boys and girls, it's very important to practice what we learn. Let's say these words together. In the first column, we have words that begin with the letter F, and those words make the F sound. Repeat them after me, please. Fair, fame, foam, fossil, fun, furniture, and future. You did an awesome job. Now for column 2, we have words that end with the F sound. Repeat these after me. Aloof, belief, brief, calf, cliff, elf, and wolf. I am so proud of you. We have one more column of words. This time, the F sound is in the middle of the word. Let's say these words together. Awful, benefit, different, effort, life, puffy, and wife. Wow. Well, you are absolutely brilliant. Let's now do a comprehension activity to check for understanding. Look at the pictures on your screen. Which word makes the F sound? Guess what word makes the F sound? It is fox. Fox makes the F sound. You were right. Out of these two words, which one makes the F sound? Well, if you said football, you were correct. Football makes the F sound. Can you guess which word makes the F sound? Well, if you said family, you got it right. Family begins with the F sound. You're doing a phenomenal job. We have a few more slides to go. Out of these two beverages, which word makes the F sound? Well, I bet you got it right. It is coffee. That's right, coffee has the F sound in the middle of the word. Now, look at these two pictures. Which words match with the pictures? And let's see if you can recognize the F sound. Wow, boys and girls, you are so brilliant. Both of these words start with the F sound. We have feather and fish. They both have the F sound. You're so bright. I'm so proud of you. Wonderful scholars, I'm so glad that you now know the F sound. What sound does the F make? It sounds like f, like in fish or coffee or family, feather, puffy. The F sound can be at the beginning of a word, the middle of a word, or at the end of a word. Just keep learning. There are thousands of words with the F sound. Beautiful children, this concludes our lesson on the F sound. What did you learn today? Please let me know. I want to say thank you for listening, watching, and learning with Avant-garde Books. I'm Cherie Hardy, and I hope that you have a beautiful day.